Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of Euro USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So my dear friends, the market is open and we can see that market is behaving like a typical Monday market. There is not much volatility. Market has opened on a silent note and we can see that overall the levels are still very much intact. If you're looking for detailed analysis, then please watch the video that I uploaded on Saturday because I do not want to repeat the same stuff and bore you again. So first of all, DXY US dollar index. The dollar index is still standing at FIBO 38.2% retracement level and still showing signs of further upside. And today we have news coming up, my dear friends. So yes, you need to be careful during the news because yes, PMI may not be a very big event like NFP or CPI, but still there will be some volatility. Especially beginners, new traders with low capital, do not try to gamble with your hard-earned money. There may be some unexpected volatility and your stop loss may not work, so be careful. And as I said, dollar index is still showing signs of further upside. If market continues the upside, then obviously the first resistance will be around 101.50 and the second resistance will be around 102.00. These are the two next resistance level on the chart of DXY if market continues the upside, and more or less we can expect that market will remain like this during the European session as well. Let's wait and watch how the market reacts after PMI. Now Euro USD. As I said, the overall levels on the chart are still very much intact. So we discussed about the possibility of a breakdown on the chart of euro dollar, and we discussed about taking a sell below 1105 level. But in this market condition, if you see euro USD going down also below 1.1105, you need to be a little bit careful and follow strict risk management, because see, the thing is simple. For any breakout or breakdown, market requires volume. Without volume there cannot be a breakout or breakdown, and right now we don't have volume is missing. So in absence of volume, the breakout can be a false one. Okay, so yes, you need to be careful. If you take a sell, be careful and do not try to expect the next profit of 40 to 50 pips. There's a high chance that market will reverse from before hitting the next level of 1.1060. okay, because this is the next support on the chart of euro USD. If you're wondering why, let me show you. See, market is respecting FIBO here, we can clearly see, and if we draw FIBO, then we can see the next support as per FIBO is around 1.1056. okay, so if euro USD breaks this level, we have a room for 50 pips, isn't it? 50 pips is not a matter of joke. But right now market doesn't have volume, so as a result you need to be careful, because there, as I said, without volume, breakout or breakdown is not possible. So there's a good chance that after 20-25 pips market may reverse. If you see reversal sign, exit from the trade immediately. Okay, and later on, if market takes support around 1.1050, 1.1055 level, FIBO 50% retracement level, you can go for a buy position as well, because we can see the market is beautifully respecting Fibonacci. And on the other hand, if market shows some recovery, if euro USD shows some recovery, then we discuss about two resistance level. One is around 1.1148 to 50. This is a minor resistance. If the volatility of the market is not very high, if you see market struggling around this area, you can expect some sellers to be present. If market reverses, we can look for a sell, and the best resistance for the day is around 1.1175. around this level we have a good resistance. Why? Because this was the same level that acted as previous support, and right now we can see that we have moving averages acting as dynamic support around this area. Okay, and we also have Fibonacci, our beloved favorite Fibonacci. So if we combine all the factors, we can see strong presence of sellers around 1175, 1180. If market reverses, we can look for a sell. But This level is far away, and right now market is inside the range here. If you have any buy position, sell position, be on the trade. No need to exit because we don't have any clarity regarding the next direction of the market. But if you're a day trader and looking for fresh trading opportunities, then try to follow the points that I just discussed right now. If you're looking for detailed analysis, please watch the video that I uploaded on Saturday. So that's all from my side, my dear friends. This is my analysis. I can be wrong as well. So please follow proper risk management. Do not gamble with your hard-earned money. And be careful, extra careful during the news, because when fundamentals dominate the market, technicals may fail. Okay, bye-bye. Take care.